Y'all know what it is. My name is B Singh and welcome to my channel, Be Happy Hour. Today, since we have last week we went to the Wiki Studio and I got people saying that no, do a video there again. So I'm here again in Wiki Studio. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a review. Also, thank you Wiki for letting me record in this place, and also do go to his Instagram handle and check out his amazing photos. Guys, he's an amazing photographer. Do check his link out. I'll link in the description, also on the overlay. Right. So today is going to be a little bit different. So one of my friends has actually gone to Goa and he came back with an amazing scotch. It's a mixture of US, it's a mixture of Japan, everything. We're going to be checking out Oaksmith. Alright, you guys, kind of like nice to have this kind of like a good scotch in the building as well. So this is internationally acclaimed brand. This is called Oaksmith. So my friend who's gone to Goa, he actually got scoured this for 630 rupees INR, but the actual price on this is close to 1700. It's 1672 bucks to be exact. So people in Goa, I really envy you guys because getting like at the cheaper price. But then yes, this is Oaksmith, you guys. Let me just give you a little bit of details about Oaksmith and let's get it started. Alright guys, Oaksmith Gold on the other hand is actually a unique, first of its kind, truly international whiskey, being a harmonious blend of the best aged Scotch malt whiskies from Scotland and the smoothest American bourbon whiskey aged in American oak barrels, combined by impeccable craftsmanship of Japan. So if you look at the box, so basically it's got a nice box. Alright guys, coming to the box, it's actually a pretty dope box if you've seen the Oaksmith written here, and you have a little bit details over here. So this contains aged Scotch malt whiskies from Scotland, pretty dope. Contains aged bourbon whiskies from the United States of America, even doper. Okay, Japanese dedication to quality and craftsmanship. Now that is the most dopest. So it's kind of like it's got a mixture of Scotland, the United States, and the craftsmanship of Japan. Pretty dope. I really like to try it out, you guys. This is Oaksmith Gold, and it is founded since 1795. Pretty dope. I really like the box, and it's got a nice logo here which symbolizes it. I really like it. Alright, coming to the bottle. If you see the bottle is actually dark green. It's pretty nice. I really like this bottle, this type of bottles, because they've actually put thought into making a bottle rather than just making plain bottle which is dull and boring. But then yeah, let's try it out, you guys. This is Oaksmith Gold. Alright guys, I have actually started to make magic now. So I'm going to make the glass come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. The glass is moving just with the power of my mind. And yeah, so that's kind of like a nice thing. See, when you're actually a drunk, see, all these things happen. Now you get magic powers. Alright, coming to the liquor. Now let's just open this up. The mandatory usual things. Nice bottle. Alright. So this usually, I usually put it up to 30. I don't add a little bit more onto this, but then yeah, this is Oaksmith, you guys. I don't know why it keeps falling off, but then yes, coming to the smell. Alright, this is actually pretty. It's kind of like a bourbon kind of smell. I don't know if you guys have tried bourbon, but bourbon, it kind of gives you that nice essence. It has a particular definitive essence that you can figure out. Yes, it actually smells like kind of like a bourbon and kind of like a whiskey blend. But then yeah, cheers you guys. This is kind of like a good whiskey. So I usually have it. You can have it in the rocks. I prefer water, but then for the taste test, yes. Oh, right. This is somewhat a little bit of a harsher taste if you're trying on the rocks. But then yeah, it actually gives a nice buzz. I will try to get some water and then I'll tell you how it tastes on water. Be right back, you guys. Alright guys, we've got some water. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water onto this. So, like I mentioned in my last videos, I really like to make my scotches or my whiskies a little light to have. But then the first two pegs, I make it hard so that I'll be in the proper buzz, and later I'll do a little bit of a light. I'll make it light. So coming to the tasting, you guys. Right, it has a little bit of a sour taste when you dilute it with water. Yeah, it actually even when you I forgot to mention this, but when you first have a sip raw, it actually gives you that sour taste. The first taste of it gives you sourness, but then yeah, this is actually a nice whiskey. This actually would make me eat a lot of seafood because it's kind of like sour, and if you keep drinking a lot, it actually tends to even destroy the taste buds. But then yeah, this is actually a good whiskey. I would think I would recommend somewhere around 4 out of 5. Yeah. This is about Oaksmith, you guys. Also, a little bit of information I'd like to give. So since it's an international blended whiskey, I'd like to give this is made by Shinji Fukuyo, Chief Blender. It's actually great. This is one of the renowned people in Japan and one of the master brewers, right? So this is the end, you guys. Until we meet next time, you guys, and do follow Wiki in Instagram and all the other social networks. Do check his work out. Until we meet next time, you guys. Peace.